What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. Well, it is about that time. Happy New Year. So excited to be starting off 2022 with you guys and this Microlocs journey and all my sisters, y'all. We made it. We made it to 2022. So exciting. Y'all, I have so much to share with you guys. The last time I got on was during my 2-year DIY Microlocs update, and my goodness, so much has changed since then. Let's first talk about this middle part. This middle part, I've never really worn a middle part since I've been locked, and y'all, I don't know, I'm kind of liking the middle part. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, welcome. This channel focuses on my DIY Microlocs journey. I've been documenting my journey since October 1st, 2019. So guys, I've been locked for 2 years and 3 months. So let's go ahead and continue this journey. Today's video is going to be more focused on my new wash routine and some of the products that I am using with this routine. Also, I'm going to be showing you a little cute style at the end, so stay tuned all the way to the end so you can see a cool style that I do with my DIY Microlocs. Well, without further ado, let's get into this update, okay? A few things have changed since my 2-year Microlocs update. The first thing that has changed is I put a rinse in my hair. I wanted hair that was not as light as the blonde that I've had and not as dark as just black. So I put a burgundy rinse on my hair, and since then, my locks have washed out quite a bit. They're not completely burgundy, but they're definitely not as light blonde as they used to be. So I'm actually really loving the color that my locks are right now. Also, I have trimmed my locks, and I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me trimming my locks. I was going to do a full video on that, but I have already done a video on trimming my locks. So if you would like to see how I trim my locks, just check out the video in my cards and I will show you guys exactly how I trim my locks. But here's just a quick clip on some of the locks that I clipped. I clipped some of the locks that were feeling a little brittle, where the hair seemed like it was just falling. I did have a few locks where the balls were just hanging on by a thread. And then I also had some locks that didn't seem to be wanting to curl. You guys know how I am about the curl on the end. I really want to see that. And so I went ahead and took it upon myself to just trim those straight locks off. So that's just leaving my hair nice and full and looking really healthy on the ends. And I absolutely love how my locks are looking right now. I don't know if y'all can peep this, but my locks are trying to come on and start growing, y'all. Do y'all see this? Y'all see this traveling lock right here? This lock is a promise. It's like an indication that my locks are getting ready to take off. So during the year 2022, I am so excited to see some new growth and some new length happening with my locks. If you also are excited about seeing some growth with your locks, comment down below and let me know what your hair goals are and what your lock goals are for this new year. So excited to chat with you guys about your locks goals. All right, so now let's talk about this line of demarcation, because y'all already know how I've been tracking my line of demarcation. So let's take a look really close up. And before I really do anything, I just want to take a moment to notice that it's kind of hard to see where it is, but you can see right here where there is a lock right here where it is twisted, starting right here. And everywhere from here on up, you can see with your own eyes that it is completely interlocked. Okay, so my line of demarcation has moved all the way down here. Now, I'm not sure if that means that this is 2 years worth of interlocking all the way down here, or if that just means that my twisted hair is just becoming locked. Now, this is another one, and this lock is much longer than some of these other locks. So notice how the twist pattern stops right about, ooh, I'm gonna try to see it, right about here. So it stops right about, oh, I see some more twisted hair right here. Maybe right about here. Okay, and then the rest of that is interlock. So I've just been tracking that line of demarcation pretty heavily because I want to know just how my locks are maturing. Okay, so all over my head, you can kind of see that line of demarcation, the line of demarcation ending right about really close to the ends of my hair. It's like right about here. So that is pretty exciting. I can't wait to see what 2022 looks like at the end of my 2022 year, and I just want to see what it looks like. Let's also take a moment and take a look at the thickness of my locks. My locks seem to be pretty thick, and that's why I am enjoying wearing a middle part. I might not wear a middle part a lot, but I definitely feel comfortable with this middle part because it's pretty thick. Like, my hair is feeling and looking pretty thick now, and so I'm so excited about that. Oh my gosh, so many awesome things to update you guys on. I also just finished my interlocking session just yesterday. I did want to start the new year off with freshly interlocked hair. So I spent about 2 days locking my hair because I was like, I just have to start the new year off with freshly interlocked hair. So my grid, as you guys know, it's not perfect, but it is what it is, and I love it. It's unique. It's unique to me. It is not a signature grid pattern or anything like that. I just love my grid, and yeah, my hair is freshly interlocked. Those of you who are new to my channel, just know that I do not interlock tightly because in the past I have had alopecia. But while we're over here, let's take a look at that spot. This is where my alopecia spot used to be. Now, I don't see or feel any alopecia right now. My hair, when I tell you my hair is thriving, my hair is thriving. And it is all due to a product line that I have been using lately, and I've really been using this line for quite some time, but within the last like half year, 6 months to 8 months, this line has been pushing out product, and not just pushing it out, but product that is quality, that is tested, that is true. This is Voice of Hair. And so now that we're talking about Voice of Hair, I really want to go ahead and get into my wash day routine. Y'all check out Voice of Hair and my wash day routine. I just want to say thank you, Voice of Hair, for sending me all of these amazing products. Each and every one of them have been carefully formulated to help hair growth and natural hair. So I'm starting off with rinsing my hair. Then I add the first step, which is the shampoo. Give it a nice lather, focusing on my scalp. And then I rinse that out and add the step 2, which is the conditioner. I use a generous amount of focusing on my ends, and then let it sit for a couple minutes and then rinse that out. Then I go on with step 3, the leave-in conditioner. And since this formula is kind of thick, I really want to make sure that I rub it into my fingers so that I don't have a lot of clumps. Then I massage the roots and then my ends really good, making sure, again, I don't have a lot of clumpy pieces of conditioner in my hair. Then I go in with the hair elixir oil, focus that in on my problem areas, which are my edges, and all throughout my scalp, and then I give my scalp another good massage. So as promised, guys, I am showing you guys a cute hairstyle that you can do, and I'm going to be doing 2 buns on the top with some hair hanging down in the front, and the rest in the back will be down. Alright, so I could just stop right here because this is super cute, but I am going to transition these 2 ponytails into a bun. And then, of course, I gotta add some hair jewelry. You guys already know that. But this is the style, and I love it. And y'all, there's just so many cool styles that you can do with DIY Microlocs. That's why I love this hairstyle so much. Well, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Hit that notification bell and comment down below so that you don't miss any more of my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.